despite challenges that he has been facing for a very long time, Justin P. Rintathiang of Maublay locality under Mairang Civil Subdivision has not been wasting his God-gifted talent and skills but has put them into profitable use. His effort has earned him a recognition from the state government earlier this year when he received the Prime Entrepreneurship Award. His craftsmanship of making traditional furniture, even with his physical condition, did not stop him from doing what he loves. Appreciating J.P. Rintathiang's efforts and his go-getter spirit, the Chief Minister of Meghalaya, Conrad K. Sangma, had presented a motorcycle wheelchair to the differently abled Rintathiang, who had recently received the Prime Entrepreneurship Award from the state government at the E-Challenge Entrepreneurship Program. Speaking on the occasion, Conrad Sangma informed that the special wheelchair was bought under the Chief Minister's special grant with Rs 30,000 as total expenditure. The electric wheelchair had been introduced at IIT Madras by NeoMotion. Further, Sangma also appreciated the efforts of the Social Welfare Department and the Principal Secretary, Veterinary and Animal Husbandry, GHP Raju, in making this endeavour a success.
What's that?
This has come from Chennai, sir.
Yeah, the training is
I said, okay, but I asked, please, but leave the break. Is that? No, it is what I
There we go. Mr. Rintathiang, in the last E-Challenge program of the entrepreneurship program that we had, he had received an award for the entrepreneurial work that he is doing. And in that program, when we had seen, and all of us had seen the challenges that he faces, I had announced that day that we'll be giving him at least a mobility vehicle or some sort of support from the government side, and we're very lucky that during that time this new technology was introduced by some individuals in Chennai, and so the timing was very good, and we were very happy and thankful to the entire team, especially Mr. Raju and the entire team in the Social Welfare Department and other individuals who were involved in this to be able to make this happen today. So I'm very thankful to them, and I hope that this unit will really be of great help to Mr. Rintathiang. At the same time, I'm also hopeful that his entrepreneurial ventures that he's doing will also be an example to other differently abled people in our state to realize that that these challenges should not stop them from achieving their dreams and moving forward, and that whatever the support from the government side is there, will always be there to help them and support them. But it is the courage inside and the will and the strength that they must have to move forward. And he's a shining example of that. So I must congratulate him, and I wish him the very best for his future.